Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today I am going to take Islamic Studies class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is Chapter 3, Lesson 8, Surah At-Takasur. Okay, dear students, firstly we have to know how many things we have to learn about Surah At-Takasur. I think that there are 6 things you have to must learn about Surah At-Takasur. Firstly, basic information of Surah At-Takasur. Secondly, respectability of Surah At-Takasur. Thirdly, background of Surah At-Takasur. Fourthly, translation of Surah At-Takasur. Fifthly, explanation of Surah At-Takasur. And last and finally, teachings of Surah At-Takasur. These 6 things you have to must learn about Surah At-Takasur. Dear students, now come to the board and listen how I teaching Surah At-Takasur. Surah At-Takasur, basic information. This surah has been named from the first word Takasur, mentioned in the first verse. It is the 102th surah of the Holy Quran. Dear students, we have to learn 102th surah, this surah's position from the Holy Quran. We know that 114th surah in the Holy Quran and Surah At-Takasur's position is 102 of them. This surah was revealed in the great city Makkah. So it is one kind of Makki surah, and Makki surah is the name of this surah which are revealed before the migrate to Medina of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to Medina. And there are 86 surah which was revealed before the hijrat of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This surah is called Makki surah. And there are 28 surahs which was revealed after the hijrat of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to Medina, is known as Madani surah. Okay, dear students, so Surah At-Takasur is one of the Makki surah. It has 8 verses and 1 ruku. This place we have to know what is ruku. Dear students, we know that ruku is the one of the part of the Holy Quran, and we know that 540 ruku in the Holy Quran, and some says 558 rukus in the Holy Quran. And Surah At-Takasur is the one of the ruku of Holy Quran. Okay, dear students, now we will start respectability of Surah At-Takasur. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam once said to these Sahabis, to his Sahabis, there is none among you who is able to recite 1000 verses every day. They replied, yes, there is hardly along who has the able to recite 1000 verses. Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked them, is there anybody who can recite Surah At-Takasur every day? It is to be mentioned that reciting this surah once every day is equal to reciting from the Holy Quran 1000 verses. It means if any person recites Surah At-Takasur 1 times, then he get the swab of 1000 verses reciting from the Holy Quran. Okay, dear students, now we will start background of Surah At-Takasur. This hadith is mentioned in the Mazhari. Mazhari is the very famous hadith book. Okay, now we will start background of Surah At-Takasur. Banu Abd Manaf, Banu Qusay, Banu Saham were the sub-clans of Quraysh tribe. Each of these clans used to tell other, we are superior to you in every ways, be it leadership, be it power, or be it population. Banu Abd Manaf was proved to be the toughest of all. Then everyone said, we will also count those who are dead. So they went to the graveyard and started to count the graves along with their names of the dead persons. Now Banu Saham got 3 families more than other families. By this way, Banu Saham become the superior about the person or number of people. By this way, there are a conflict position occurred in that time. Almighty Allah in that time Surah Al-Takasur revealed about these events. So it is the story of Shan Nuzul or background of Surah Al-Takasur. Okay, dear students, now we will start translation of Surah Al-Takasur. Translation of Surah Al-Takasur is the very important question for creative question C or D. Okay, now we start. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Meaning, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Alhaakumut takathur. Competition in worldly wealth drives you. Hatta surtumul maqabir. Until you visit the graveyards, till you die. Kalla sawfa ta'lamun. No, you are going to know. Thumma kalla sawfa ta'lamun. Again, no, you shall come to know. Kalla law ta'lamuna ilmal yaqeen. Nay, if you know with the sure knowledge. Lataravunna al-jahim. You will surely see the hellfire. Thumma lataravunnaha ayn al-yaqeen. Then you will surely see it with the eye of certainty. Thumma latus'alunna yawma idhin 'anil na'im. Then on that day you will be asked about the light. Okay, dear students, this is the translation of Surah At-Takasur. It is a very important. You have to memorize translation of Surah At-Takasur. Okay, now we will start explanation of Surah At-Takasur. Mankind has been warned against the greed for wealth and competition in worldly things. Human beings are naturally greedy for wealth and money. A man dies while they are competing with each other in order to gain wealth in abundance. But he does not take any preparation for the life after death. But one should not do so because wealth is short-lived. Greed for wealthy things drives people. But the success and benefits of the Qiyamah are far better than all these worldly things. So mankind should give more priority to the Akhirat. Men will be able to realize Akhirat after the death, and they will also ask to the Almighty Allah, "Oh Allah, again revealed me on the earth, and I will lead my life according to the teachings of Islam and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam." But Allah don't reply their question and don't reveal again in this earth. So we have to careful about our akhirat in this earthly life and do well and good things and teachings of the Quran and Sunnah. So we will be succeed in our earthly, in our late life or in the akhirat. Okay, dear students, now we will start teachings of Surah At-Takasur. This is the very important teachings of Surah At-Takasur. We know that there are a lot of teachings of Surah At-Takasur, and from them only 4 are mentioned in your book, such as we should not fast. Number 1, we should not have illusion of the abundance of wealth. Number 2, this diverts people from the thinking about Akhirat. Number 3, those who earn their wealth by the unlawful means will be thrown into the hellfire. those who are earning their wealth by the unlawful way, then Allah will throw them in the hellfire in the day of Akhirat. So we have to most careful about our hereafter life. Okay, and last teachings is they will be judged according to their deeds. They means Allah will judge according to their deeds, and those who are make good deeds in this earth, he will go to the Jannah, and those who are make bad deeds in this earthly life, he will go to the Jahannam. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood today's topic clearly, and now I will give HW. Okay, dear students, HW is translation of Surah At-Takasur. Translation of Surah At-Takasur means 4. Point number 4. Write down from here to here. Translation of Surah At-Takasur, only meaning, not write down Arabic. Only meaning write down. This is Surah. This is the HW. Okay, dear students, HW is very, very important for you because by the CT marks and your SBA marks, and also the diary marks will be given according to your diary, according to your HW performance. So you have to must carefully done your HW, and you have to submit your HW copy on every Sunday and collect your HW copy in the next Sunday. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood this topic clearly, and avoid by your parents, and stay well, and see you again very soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.